Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to your Samsung tablet. First, identify your printer's connection type, whether it's Wi-Fi, USB, or Bluetooth. Next, ensure your Samsung tablet is charged and has any required printing apps. Finally, prepare your printer by turning it on, loading paper, and confirming ink levels are adequate for your printing tasks. This foundational setup ensures a smooth connection process. For Wi-Fi connections, ensure both your printer and tablet are on the identical network. Your Samsung tablet often has a built-in print service plugin, or you might need your printer's dedicated app. Open your tablet settings, search for printing, and then select your printer from the discovered devices. This method is convenient for wireless printing from anywhere within your network's range, typically up to 30 feet. Connecting via USB requires an OTG adapter, which plugs into your tablet's charging port and provides a standard USB-A connection for your printer cable. For Bluetooth, simply enable Bluetooth on both your printer and tablet, then pair them through your tablet settings. Some printers might need a specific driver app for these direct connections. These methods offer a reliable, close-range printing solution, usually within a 10-meter radius. If you encounter connection problems, a quick restart of both your tablet and printer often resolves many issues. Always ensure your tablet's operating system and printer's firmware are updated to their latest versions for compatibility. Keep your devices within a reasonable distance, typically under 10 feet, to maintain a strong, stable connection. These simple steps can prevent common printing frustrations and ensure smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.